Good morning, student. Today's the subject accountancy. We will learn financial accounting part 2, part B, unit 3, financial statement. Okay, rectification of error chapter is omitted. Financial statement. Note down the question. What is the meaning of financial statement? The next, divided financial statement. User of financial statement. Next question. The next is importance of final account. The next is what is the meaning of trading account. The next question is object of utility or importance of trading account. The next is pro forma of trading account. Okay, so we'll start the topic. Financial statement. What is the meaning of financial statement? Actually, financial statement of company show in financial position in the current year. करंट ईयर का जो फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन होता है उसको फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट जो है वो शो करता है. एक्चुअली द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट इज टू डिवाइडेड 3 पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, सेकंड इज प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, देन थर्ड इज बैलेंस शीट. ओके, ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट टू नो द ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट एंड द ग्रॉस लॉस. Profit and loss account to know the net profit and net loss, and balance sheet to know the financial position of the business, total liabilities and total assets. Okay, at the end of the year above maintain statement at prepared in the separate records, after which no other accounting record of year is made. Actually, financial statement prepared at the end of each accounting year to know the annual result and financial position of the business is called financial accounting statement. User of financial statement. Actually, the user of financial statement, first is management. The management team need to understand the probability, liquidity and cash flow of the organization such that is can be operational and financial decision about the business. जो मैनेजमेंट होता है वो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट के आधार पे अपने बिजनेस के संबंध में डिसीजन लेता है. Then next is investor. It is the very importance of investor. Investor means invest the money of the any company. It is very useful for the investor because they are to honor of the company and financial statement so that they know about of the company status. So they also can clearly understand so that the understand the performance of the investment through this statement. Then next is creditor. A creditor will require financial statement in order to estimate the ability to the borrower to pay back all the loan funds and related interest charging. Then next is employees. Actually, employees is the worker of the company. A company employees uses financial statement for wages and salaries, negotiation and assessment of current and forward opportunity in term of employment. They would be interested in current financial stability and the long term financial viability of the business. And then last is government. Actually, the government policies preparing the corporates depends heavily on financial statement. This because this statement depict how companies are functioning in general. The government can use the information and decided the taxation and the regulatory policy. गवर्नमेंट जो कंपनीज से को लोन देती है और उनसे जो टैक्सेस लेती है, तो ये भी फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन को ध्यान में रखकर करती है. थैंक यू.